Hi, Evan. This is Jenna Driscoll with my third reflection for planning for online learning summer 2020. This reflection will take a look at the parent's role in a remote learning situation. So for the parent's role, what I've done or what I'm planning to do to help with procedures and tips for communication is to use Seesaw app for the learning content and Bloom's app for the parent-teacher communication. Just that way I can send out quick text messages if needed for upcoming dates. I can schedule things that way and be able to have parents message me as well because Seesaw does not offer that one. So that's why I would be using just both of those to help facilitate more communication with parents and also work diligently to get them all on board at the beginning of the year, just to share with them the value of having these apps and how they can communicate with me, and that I value their child and how the teacher and the parent should have a good partnership to help their child learn. The other things I would be working on for the parent's role would be creating informational videos for parents through Seesaw on just how to do things, because in the springtime the online format was voluntary, so not everyone did it. So now that it is required or mandatory, there's going to be a big learning curve for a lot of parents who did not participate as much or as often as what they needed to in the springtime. So now we're still looking at what our learning, what the expectations will be for our online learning format. So this would be a way to help connect them to the learning space and help guide them through what they're expected to do for the parents' role. I would also encourage low-tech options for students, such as handwriting opportunities and other fine motor skills such as cutting, gluing, using scissors. Those are very important skills, especially for an incoming first grader. Students these days do not have as much experience with those skills as previous generations, which is crazy to think, but they just have, not that they can't do it, they just haven't had experience. So that would be one way to help parents with remote learning, and also to get them, have students take a break from the screen time, because there's only so much screen time you can have before you just need to take a break. So using the fine motor skills as a way to engage the student in learning, just not with the screen. And I would also provide office hours to assist families with online content, Q&A sessions if they need to, phone calls to help them work through their concerns or their issues on their end, because I know there's going to be a lot of support that I need to provide to help all parents gain access and to become comfortable with the online format, because it is very new to all of us. And so working together with parents, that will help provide a connection in their role for online learning in the remote situation. So those are the things that I plan to do or have done for the parents' role in remote learning. Thank you.